M0 FXP Hamtech, welcome to the channel. I'm using two programs this morning. One's called Powershell, which comes free with Windows. I'm on Windows 11. And this platform here called SDK Platform Tool for Windows, which allows me to control and manipulate an Android device using a Windows Powershell. So let's open up Powershell, which comes free. If you can't find it on your PC, just start to search here with PO and you'll see Windows Powershell. And this is the one I've got now. I'll show you the installation, but if I right now type in ADB devices, the number on the left there is my Android device that you can see here, okay, on the right, which is like a budget Motorola device that you can get from AliExpress that does do Zello, Peanut, all those kind of apps. So let's connect to my device. At the moment, if I go to my files, then C drive, which is the hard drive on my PC. There it is, C drive, and then a file that I created earlier. Double click where it says SCRCPY. Double click SCRCPY and look what appears. Now this is my Android device, and I can, as long as I click it first, I can go back and I can escape with my keyboard, my Windows keyboard, and I can fully control that device. Okay, and I can even drag and drop files. So if I go to my downloads, let's find one here. So if I delete this, see this, let's go back a sec. Let's delete DroidStar. Oh, click on it, uninstall, gone. Okay. Now, of course, I can use the Play Store, but this is just to show you what we can do. We can view the screen and we can drag and drop files. But we have, or someone's talking there as well. Effectively, we have a PowerShell or a shell, a way of putting in commands into our Android device using PowerShell, and that opens up lots of possibilities. You can hear that there as it's being used, some different commands show up. Now I'm not a Linux person, I'm a hobby person. So let's go back a minute. It seems quite active. I'll go to my downloads and shorten it. Just go to the recent downloads. And I've got so many, but one of them is, keep going, DroidStar. And I've also got Echolink. Let's find DroidStar. There's Echolink and Peanut and DroidStar. So I don't think this is the right version, but I'm going to drag it in just to show you I can. I'm going to drag it and just let go on the screen. And did you see here it said, look, performing push install. So you can drag and drop using this system. Now another way you can do it is you could download Total Recall. That does it. Or Total Recall was a good film. Total Control. Okay. That looks like this. I'll just quickly show you this this device on the right hand side underneath me. It's actually called a Motorola F10, and it is a Motorola phone, and the one I've got in my hand here, I'll just keep the lead in. It's a rugged device and it's solid, it's heavy, yeah, it's not a light device. You're not going to worry about this getting damaged, and it does have a PTT. Hopefully you can see, and lots of other function buttons, and a magnetic charging cable, which I think is very cool. So there it is, there's the device, and they're only about £70 delivered, which I think is a bargain myself. And it does, well, I need to test DroidStar because I haven't got a version that works on it yet, but otherwise Peanut and Zello, DV Switch, Blue DV, they all work. It's just I want to get DroidStar working. But let's go back to learning about how we got this PowerShell to work. So the first thing you do is go over to this program here and click Download SDK Platform Tools, like so. Go down and accept, and it's now there in my download folder. Then go to your yellow file at the bottom, and you'll get your, this is called Window File Explorer, and go to your C drive. So that's your main hard drive. And what I did after watching the video, right click and go new folder and create a folder called, let's move this so I can see it a minute, right click, new folder, and create a folder called, name the folder Android. Okay, I'm just going to leave it there for now because I've already done that at the top here, because it's going to put it at the top here because it's an A, and Android with a capital A is what I've done. Once you've done that, you can close that down, click the zip here, and then just go extract to, find the A. So go, when you go extract to, it opens this window. Go to the top and go to, let's find it, your C drive, and then find the A, which is here, and then just click OK. Alright, and it's going to put all of that folder into that drive, and you can close everything down. So you've got it in there now. Now find PowerShell. So go P and open that up a minute. Leave that there. You do need to go into your device, and you can't do this using screen control. I'm going to show you it using screen control because it's just easier for you to see it. But we need to enable debugging. So all we do is go escape, go back to our settings cog, double click your cog, and this goes for any Android device. Scroll down, see it says developer options. I've already got them enabled. To make this appear, click about phone, scroll to the bottom. Oh, someone's talking on Zello. I need to log out. Can you see how it shows everything I do? Exit. But anyway, scroll down and see where it says build number. Keep clicking that one about 7 times until it says you're a developer. And when you go back, developer options will appear and you can click it. See that? And you can do this with very old Android systems. It just works well. So anyway, look. See debugging, it's ticked on. Never turn that off, especially if you've got a T199. Right, so that's it. It will now communicate. So, next thing we need to go is go back to the PowerShell a minute. So we're going to go, just minimize that for now, and start to type in, what you're looking for is this PC. So click your yellow folders. If you can't see this PC on the left, then search it in the bottom, but you want this PC. So right click that and go to properties, and you get this window appear. Then here it says advanced system settings. Click that. Once you're in this, at the bottom here, navigate to where it says environmental variables. Click that. Then go down to path on the bottom section. Ignore the top section, it's the bottom section. You want path. Double click. Right, here we're going to need to paste something in. Let's go and find the thing we need to paste. So we need to go back to C drive. Let's move all this out of the way. Might have to cancel this to show you. Probably needed to paste it first, but anyway. C drive. Double click the file that's got your platform in. Double click it. And we want the address. And the simple way to get the address is just to click up here. Look, click in the space and it gives you C Android platform tool. Copy. So yeah, I would say we should have copied it first. It's going to be easier than to navigate back. Now we're going to go back to this PC again. Right click, properties, same window has come up, advanced, environmental, at the bottom, path, double click, and then click new. Now I don't want to click it in, see it's there at the bottom here. New, then right click and paste, and when you paste, you know, I'll do it and then I'll just delete it. See it? Okay, but we're gonna delete that one anyway. We've already got it, and you just click OK. As soon as you've done that, it's all going to start working. So let's click OK, we'll come out. Like so, and then we're going to now open the PowerShell. I have created a shortcut for mine, but if you can't find yours, just start to type POW and it comes up PowerShell. And there's the window. Just make sure you're connected. You just press or type lowercase ADB devices, and this device is the current device that we're seeing just here in the middle, and we can drag and drop files into there. So if I go to DroidStar, go to my downloads, look for things that we've done, other files, but I'm just trying to find DroidStar actually. I've got Echolink, DV switch, there's DroidStar. I'm going to drag it and drop. I think didn't we do that earlier? So now when we go back, start to look what's in our device. Remember, we can use the keyboard, and with a bit of luck, there's DroidStar there. Now I've noticed that version doesn't want to run, so I might try a different version. You can go to old versions of DroidStar, but just put that into Google and then you'll find lots of versions. We've got DV switch here. There you are. I need to register my account for that, so I can start using that. I'm going to escape. Let's do Zello. And Zello gone. Escape again. There it is there. Zello. And if I turn up the volume, see the volume going up?
And R163 returning.
There you go. You're having a good. So one last thing to make sure that we can use the screen copy, as they call it, you need to go to this GitHub link on the right hand side, and for me it's Windows 64. So click that, the zip downloads, click the zip, and all you have to do is extract it to the same folder that we were using earlier. So extract to, and then when this window opens, go to your C drive again, find our C drive, there it is there, go to Android and just click OK, and then when you look inside that folder, if we close this down, go to File, let's go back one, so there you are, Android, double click, and look, they're both there. And if you double click here in the one that's called SCRCPY, okay, you've got this little green, I've created a shortcut here, but you've got this little green window, and if I double click it, my Android device, once connected, and of course debugging is enabled, then it's all connected and you can drag and drop files. There's lots of things you can do. I mean, I've hardly used this program, so I'm going to learn what else I can do with it. So it says here SCRPY no console. I don't even know what that is. You know, no console, but the same thing has happened and it's working fine. So why it does that, I don't know. But thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Lots of learning here and having fun. Of course, you can use total control and you can use visor to do things like this. But this is I find that the quality of the image is perfect when you do it this way. And there's a device up there, LEX F10, and it's just fun seeing everything working and connected. So as I find out more commands, if they're interesting ones, I'll do them for you. Bye for now, 7-3.